Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Hi, Patrick.
Welcome, everyone. Happy Monday. Happy Money Monday. Welcome.
Yes. Busy week ahead. And we're going to start the week with a very short session. We're going to be live at 9:15 every morning. And then we have some really interesting session this week at different times. So we're going to talk about swing trading, futures, and other topics for the week. But for today, we're just going to spend a few days looking at what's going on, how to prepare for the week, looking at some charts, looking at some levels. And before we get started, as always, guys, send us a message if you can hear us. And we're just going to show you a quick disclaimer. Just 1 second. All right. So I think we start from you, Patrick, and I don't know, should I share your chart?
Yeah, you can share my Discord. All right, friends. First of all, good morning, everyone. Happy new week. So reset your mind. Everything is starting fresh. I will give you for 2 minutes some community polls to give you some idea what is now speaking about in the community. And as you can see, so in the trade structuring every morning, we have Doc, we have Punk, we have also Tim, Chester Ming. We're posting some updates. They're giving this commentary about SPX game plan for September 09 today. So they're looking into this. They're looking also into this, what we have, an economic calendar. And then we have also our macro stuff where we have Chester Ming, who prepare us every morning with really nice insights. So today he was speaking about no major adding from the CTAs here. He was speaking about the OVX, about the bonds, and also he was giving us a little bit feedback about the next CPI data. It was on Sunday where he makes a deep dive into this. And also what I want to tell you is we have a new stuff. So we have now the mental risk. So there's a place where we're speaking about the mental side from the trading and also about the risk side. So we're posting some morning motivation. We're posting great stuff. It was starting this morning. I was posting here your morning motivation, and then we have also Steve in the futures trading community who gives you an update about what levels are now in the zone, what levels are in the play. And last but not least, I think this is the most interesting part for everyone. We have our trading chart where our traders like Tim and other traders, they're speaking about what's going on in the market today, how they trade, what they're doing, what they're seeing. And this is something really, really cool. And this is something what we have for you. And I think now, Fabio, maybe you can speak about 5 minutes about the bot function, because we have today in play, I would say QQQ, we have Apple, we have Oracle. And I think let's talk about a few minutes about what you can see based on the MenthorQ tools. And after this, I will go to the charts, and then the morning bell will ring and we are done.
Yeah, absolutely, Patrick. So if we go in the bot, as we said, one of the first commands we normally run every day is our net gamma exposure. So what we want to see is, in preparation for the morning, we want to look at, in this case, QQQ, and we want to see what is the net gamma exposure. This is coming from close of Friday. We see, obviously, a red bar is net put gamma, green bar is net call gamma. So you can visually see basically different strikes that could be at play. We can also compare that to the previous day. So you can see, for example, as of Friday, we saw an accumulation of negative gamma on this kind of like area here. Here you can also see the levels. So we have our put support at 440. We have our core resistance at 500, our high vol level 470. And then obviously you can see the different charts here. We can also look at the multi-expiration. So for QQQ, obviously 0DTE is very important. So what we want to see in this case is looking at the different expirations. So here for today, we have 5% of jacks expiring. The core resistance is 461, the put support 445. We see like a very kind of like put positioning, so a lot of red bars here. We can also see the same for tomorrow's expiration, and we can see that things are kind of shifting towards the September 20. So we see some kind of like positive jacks here, and also we see the December expiration. So we see a lot of negative position on December. Then we can go on the matrix, and we can also do the same, but we want to see, for example, important data points is the change in positioning. So we can look at how the jacks has changed compared to the previous day. So we saw some negative change, especially around the September 20. So we see 133.7 million negative jacks accumulating there compared to the previous day. We also see here that we are kind of like in negative gamma on QQQ. If we go back, let me know how we're doing with time, Patrick. We can do the same thing.
A few minutes.
We can do the same thing on Oracle. So preparing for earnings, what are the strike level that are at play? We have a 150 core resistance. We have 120 put support. We can also look at our swing model. So we can also look at what is the swing model saying on Oracle. Tomorrow we have a session on swing trading, so stay tuned on that one. But we see our lower band at 134 and our risk trigger at 149. This is like a 5 days, but we can also look at the 20 days horizon. So let's do this. And now here we have our lower band 126, risk trigger 156 with a 20 days time horizon.
Yeah, and also what I was seeing and show you on my chart in a few minutes, if you're looking to Oracle today, the 1 day min and the 1 day max is a really big far away. It's a very stretched one. So be careful based on the volatility. We can have great moves today. So yeah, be careful.
Yeah, and we can put the levels in the chart. Very easy. Yeah, and as Patrick was saying, we have a 1 day max of 149 and our 1 day minimum 134.
Yeah, and I think I can now go to my chart. I was drawing also the trading roadmap to show you how it looks like. If you're drawing the trading roadmap on this also. Let me know if you can see my stream, Fabio.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So what I was technically doing today for the Oracle play, for the earnings play, I was connecting the dots. So I was connecting the call resistance with the 1 day max, the GEX2, and then here the GEX1 with GTE, GEX3 with 1 day min. And if we're taking out our indicators, so hide the indicator, and then we go back to the 15-minute, then we have our trading roadmap. And I think we see a really nice picture today on Oracle. So we have to go in first above this. Here we have the crazy support and resistance level. So I think we should go and prove this first, and then when it comes to these levels and we break this, don't forget to draw your Fibonacci levels. And then you can map this out, and then you have a possible next target area on the top. But this is only something based on the roadmap. And then I would say also, if we're going in today's QQQ trading roadmap, what I was showing in this 30-second video, what will be uploaded very soon, we have the same picture, taking on the extended trading hours so that we can see a little bit more. At the moment, we have to be very careful. We have two ranges, to the upside and to the downside. So we can stop here and we can stop here. And here we have a big range. So how you should trade this, the trading roadmap is a simple and basic system. It's like a roadmap if you're driving the car. So this is your roadmap and you are the car driver, but the roadmaps, they will help you to understand where you have possible entry areas, exit areas, and where you can take profits or partial profits. So this is very, very helpful. And if we taking out our indicators and taking out also the drawings, we can see also something what is really cool and what I really like when we have the blind spots. So we see also directly the high concentration areas. So when we have the call resistance, gamma was 0 DTE, I was 0 DTE, and BL1. So this means for me we have a high concentration on this level. And also here in the middle, BL5, GEX3, 1-day max, GEX2, GEX5. So this would be areas where I'm taking my eyes on, because here we have high concentration. To the downside, what we have, put support 0 DTE, BL6, GEX4, 1-day min, BL4. So we have also high concentration to the downside. And for this is for me some sign where we should be very careful. Every time when we see high concentration, this means we should be very careful on these areas. And I will say, let's go also very quick in Apple, because Apple is also a really important one for today. I was drawing for you before also the trading roadmap, and we can see it very clearly here also, where we have our areas, where we should be very careful on. And I was mapping this out. You can find this later in the community. And I think we have 4 minutes left. If you have any questions now, please let us know so that we can cover this. And otherwise, we will say happy trading and let the ring bell.
Nice. Thank you, Patrick. Let's see if we get any question. We have 3 minutes left.
And I can give you some insight about the blind spots. We have also this week some blind spots Zoom call or webinar here on YouTube and on X. So I will say every time be careful. So if you have the QQQ on your side, with what I was saying to you with the blind spots, with the gamma level, same is for NQ, same is for the futures. We provide this in the futures trading room with you. Look for the high concentration, where you have high concentration based on the gamma levels, based on the blind spots, and take eyes on this level. So these levels are really meaningful. We cannot predict the future, but we can help you to identify areas with high concentration. And therefore, we have the roadmap, we have the blind spots in combination with the gamma levels, and this is something what I can give you before we start.
Right. Mm-hmm. Okay, we have a question from Smoky Lion. I'm trying to get the matrix for CLV. Use the command matrix v1 and type in the full ticker, and you should be able to see it.
Yeah, 100%. If not, we are here. We are help you. Our support is one of the fastest. So we have the support where you get the answers and really, really quick. Sometimes less than one hour. Sometimes you get the live and the live stream the answer. So we are really quick. So no worries. If you need help, write us a message in the support. You will get it really quick.
All right, 1 minute left. I think no more questions. So this one was a good one. Thank you, guys. We're going to do the same for the rest of the week. And then we're also going to have some live sessions. So if you have missed or if you don't know where to find our session, you can go to our YouTube channels, go under live, and then basically you'll find all the links for the upcoming events here. So they're all posted. You can also go back and watch the recordings. They're all here. We did a very good one on NVIDIA. We did some swing trading last week, earnings. Yeah.
Market is open. Happy trading.
Happy trading.
So,
Thank
and for everyone who wants to see the trading roadmap, I was mapped this out for QQQ, for Oracle, for Apple, for SPX, and for CLV. So this will be posted in the free community. So if you will sign up for us for the Discord, you can do this easily. Go to MenthorQ.com and then sign up, and also take advantage of our live 25 coupon discount code where you get 25% off of your monthly or yearly subscription. And we see us tomorrow. So happy trading. So the 15 minutes wake up call, morning kicks is only for giving you a quick example. And so I will say, see you tomorrow, my friends. Happy trading. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.